In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a private channel to public in Slack. This is really useful if you've been working in a small closed group and now want to open that conversation up to your wider team or organization. Just a quick note before we start, you usually need to be either the channel creator, a channel admin, or have the right workspace permissions to make this change. If you don't see the option to switch a channel to public, your Slack admin may have restricted it. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and navigate to the private channel you want to change. In this example, I'll use a channel called New Channel, but you can pick any private channel you're part of. You can find it in the left-hand sidebar under the channel section. Private channels are usually marked with a small lock icon, so look for that if you're unsure. Once you're inside the channel, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the channel options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, look for the option labeled Open Channel Details and click on it. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen that shows information about the channel, like the description, members, and other settings. In the Channel Details panel, you'll see a few tabs across the top, such as About Members and Settings. Click on the tab labeled Settings. This is where you can control how the channel behaves, including its privacy level. Inside the Settings tab, scroll until you find the option that says Change to a Public Channel, or something very similar. This is the control that lets you convert the channel from private to public. Click on that option. Slack will now ask you to confirm this change, usually with a pop-up window. It's important to understand that making a private channel public is often a one-way action. Once it's public, the history of the channel may become visible to everyone in the workspace, depending on your organization's settings. Take a moment to double check that there's nothing confidential that shouldn't be shared more widely. If you're sure you want to continue, click the button that says Change to Public to confirm. After a moment, the channel will update, the lock icon will disappear, and it will now be listed as a public channel that others can discover and join. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Slack channel from private to public.